Okay guys, so if you really want to not spend a whole lot of money doing disinfecting cleaning, today when I do my disinfecting clean, this is what I'll be using. It is called the Control Stainer 350. Okay, I got this from Home Depot for $99. And the last review I did was on the electric sprayer that I got from Harbor Freight. Okay, today I'm going to be using this. I just tried it out and I actually like it. I really do. I like the way it sprays out. This is bomb right here for $99. This is bomb. So yeah, when I get out there in my offices, I'm gonna let you guys see how it works.
Starting a cleaning business, don't know where to start? Entrepreneurship is a lonely road that you don't have to walk by yourself. Schedule your free consultation with Mrs. Johnson today at TENACITYacademy.com.